The Pinnacle Liquid Souverän Concours Wax Kit was designed for the person who wants long-lasting, winter-tough paint protection and a level of gloss and shine that is second to none. This is one of the most popular kits in the Pinnacle line, and for good reason. It combines the best liquid wax with everything you need to clean, polish, and maintain the finish. Liquid Souverän contains both Carnauba wax for a deep glossy shine and synthetic crystalline polymers that provide long-lasting protection. The wax goes on extremely thin and wipes off with virtually no effort. A single application will provide up to 6 months of protection, making it an excellent choice if you live in northern climates. The key to success with Liquid Souverän lies in the surface prep and how you maintain the finish once the wax has been applied. With this kit, we've taken the guesswork out of both by including everything you need for proper application. The kit also includes the necessary applicator and towels to use with each product. The best part about this kit is the fact that you save up to 40% versus purchasing everything separately.